Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope all you are fine. ഇന്ന് നമുക്കൊരു യാത്ര പോയാലോ? Suppose imagine that you are traveling through a town with your family and suddenly a traffic block occurs and you are in a trouble. After some times, traffic block goes and you started to travel. Do you know who controls the traffic rules? Yes, correct. Traffic police control the traffic rules. Consider our body as a road system, and there is something in our body like vehicles that are continuously traveling. Can you spot what is that? Yes, very good. Blood is continuously traveling through our body. Who controls the traveling of blood throughout the body? Very good. Heart control the traveling of blood throughout the body. Blood in our body is completely moving and heart control the blood flow. Divide it into blood vessel and assign each blood vessel to different duties, like traffic rules assigned by traffic police. So today we are learn more about blood vessels and their functioning. Blood vessels. Along with heart, blood vessels also have a role in circulating blood to different parts of the body. ഹാർട്ടിനെ പോലെ തന്നെ ബ്ലഡ് വെസലിനും ഒരു മേജർ റോളുണ്ട് ബ്ലഡ് നമ്മുടെ ശരീരത്തിൻ്റെ പല ഭാഗങ്ങളിൽ എത്തിക്കാൻ. There are mainly 3 types of blood vessels: arteries, veins and capillaries. Arteries carry blood from the heart. ഹാർട്ടിൽ നിന്ന് ബ്ലഡിനെ ക്യാരി ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ട് പോവുകയാണ് ആർട്ടറീസിൻ്റെ ഫങ്ഷൻ. വെയിൻസ് ക്യാരി ബ്ലഡ് ടു ദ ഹാർട്ട്. Capillaries connect veins and arteries. Look at this picture. Arteries split into small arteries and they in turn split into capillaries. The capillaries unite to form smaller veins. Smaller veins unite to form larger veins. Arteries divide ചെയ്ത് small arteries form ചെയ്യുന്നു. Small arteries unite ചെയ്ത് capillaries form ചെയ്യുന്നു. Capillaries unite to form smaller veins. Smaller veins കൂടിച്ചേർന്ന് larger veins form ചെയ്യുന്നു. This flow chart indicate the flow of blood. Heart and then to artery, then small arteries, then capillaries, then small veins and then veins and finally heart. This picture indicate the structure of artery. Artery having an elastic outer covering and also muscular layers are present. These are the features of arteries. Artery carries blood from the heart. Thick and elastic walls are present. Blood flows with high speed and high pressure. This picture indicates the structure of vein. Elastic outer covering and muscular layers are present. It having a valve. These are the characters of vein. Veins carry blood to the heart. Wall is thin. Valves are seen inside. Blood flows with low speed and low pressure. These are the features of vein. Then next is capillaries. Capillary is a thin vessel that connect veins and arteries together. വെയിൻസിനെയും ആർട്ടറിയെയും തമ്മിൽ കണക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന തിൻ വെസലാണ് capillaries. The wall is formed of a single layer of cells. Minute pores are present on the walls. Valves are absent. Blood flows with low speed and low pressure. Are you understand this topic? Any doubt? Next, we will move to summarize today's topic. This table shows the characters of arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries having thick and elastic walls, veins having thin wall. Capillaries formed of a single layer of cells. Minute pores are present on the walls. Valves are absent in arteries and capillaries. Valves are present in veins. Blood flows with high speed and high pressure in arteries. Blood flows with low speed and low pressure in veins and capillaries. Arteries flows from heart to the different parts of the body. Veins carry blood to the heart from different parts of the body. Capillaries carries blood from arteries to veins. Are you clear about this topic?
Next, we will see a video about this topic. The blood vessels present in our body are veins, capillaries, and arteries. Arteries are the vessels that have thick and elastic walls to resist the pressure exerted by the heart. They carry the oxygenated blood from the heart to various parts of the body. Veins that collect deoxygenated blood from various parts of the body and brings it to heart. They do not need thick wall because the blood is not under pressure, but they have valves to control the flow of blood in one direction. The arteries branch into thin vessels called capillaries for reach the cell to the supply of nutrients. These capillaries rejoin at the other end to form veins. If the blood vessel is cut in any point by incident, there will be leakage and loss of blood from the body. To prevent this leakage, the platelets present in the blood to reach the site of leakage and plug it temporarily. A clot is formed by the platelets. This is more about blood vessels. Are you clear this topic? Thank you.